When I move forward in my career, at different stages, there are different requirements. What you had when you were a student is not the same as when you are 10 years into your career. IEEE has had resources to support me in each one of these steps. So I believe throughout my professional career, I can get something from IEEE, and of course, I can give something back to IEEE as well. My research area, the one that I followed for my postgrad, is on computer architecture. That's commonly known as chips. And to be a bit more specific, I worked on hardware security. So that's on how do you secure your devices at the hardware level. When you look at the recent advancements of AI, many people are looking at application-specific hardware to accelerate things like machine learning. In that space, people will start developing more and more application-specific hardware to make those things work. So you'll see, rather than having one thing do many things, you will have like so many different things for specific applications. So in that space, you will definitely have challenges in terms of how do you secure everything, because with IoT now everything is getting connected, things will start getting smaller and smaller. In that space, how do you secure the whole thing? As an entrepreneur, we develop infrastructure for the power grid. So in that sense, we are modernizing something that's been there for a long time. It's legacy infrastructure. So with that connectivity, of course, comes the threats of cybersecurity. So that's one of the main focus areas, because when you have like the entire power grid, that the distribution network all connected, maybe with one single attack, you can have lights off. So how do you prevent that from happening when you're designing things from ground up? So that will definitely be a concern. It's a concern right now, and it will only exacerbate in the future. So compared to what happened in the past, right now we are having distributed energy sources. Can be solar, can be wind, can be many other sources that provide energy from different locations to the power grid. So in that setup, having a modernized power grid will definitely help, because I wouldn't be surprised that in the near future, in fact, it's a conversation right now, having a modular nuclear reactor, it can be in your backyard. So it'll be small enough and safe to enable that from happening. My predictions for the future, and I believe it's true, we had a huge boom of generative AI in the last 2 years or so. And I believe that will continue with the introduction of agents, where you not only have a typing kind of a conversation, you have a conversation verbally with something, maybe in your phone or in your PC, and then you get things done. So rather than maybe booking a hotel or a flight through an interface, you talk, you have a conversation, you get back and forth questions and answers, and then you settle on what you need to do, and then it happens. That'll definitely be something that we interact with in the near future. So the way IEEE has helped me in my career in many ways, and I would rank networking at the very top. There are, of course, tangible benefits that you can get out of IEEE. You get to travel to conferences, you present your research, and you get professional development material. But beyond all that, I found networking to be the most beneficial thing. I'm sure that's the case for many other people as well, the people that I've met. So in different stages in my career, networking has helped in different ways. When I first graduated with my bachelor's, I was looking for postgrad, master's, PhDs. Then the network really helped, because then I could tap into opportunities, can get recommendations from people. So that was really valuable. And later on, in the career, when we were collaborating on research applications or developing a product, one, the knowledge comes handy, and then you can find complementary skills in other people from your network. So there are many things, we can go on and on, but networking sits at the top of the benefits that I got from IEEE.